Hey Wesley, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your site. Gotta say, really like your site. You got a nice header, you got your click to call, request form, then going down, explaining a little bit about what you do, how easy it is to work with you, and of course, why they should work with you. And then about different services you provide. So you do have a lot of content on your site. I love it. You have about 1,000 words, which is awesome. I What Google is truly looking for is a little higher. It's about 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage. The reason being is so that you can organically place buyer intent words or keywords throughout your site, which are those buyer intent words that someone's putting into Google in order to find your specific service. Before we get into that, let's jump in behind the scenes and see what's going on with your website. Now, the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. Now, two main things we look for are the UR rating and the DR rating, which, as you can see, the UR rating is the strength of your website, which is 21, and the DR rating is the trust Google places in your site, which is a 7. Now, ideally, we want these both to be in between 30 and 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way we get that up are with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website or referring domain back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, if you get like 50 backlinks from Wikipedia, that would be awful because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, if you get a lot of backlinks from a flooring blog, that would be awesome because that's relevant to your current service. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So you have 225, let's check them out. So of course you're ranking for your own name. Hardwood flooring is an awesome one. 150 people a month are searching for that. And you're about the bottom of the first page and you're getting 9 people from that. Baltimore hardwood flooring, same thing. You're at the bottom and you're getting 6 people. Hardwood floors, again, bottom 5 people. So right now, from some of these keywords, which you are doing the keywords right, it's just you're at the bottom of the first page. Why would they go to bottom if they have the top? So we'd be looking to raise that up, which is by backlinks. But before we get deeper into that, let's check out one of the best buyer intent keywords for flooring in your area, which is Flooring Baltimore. First things first, you're going to have your ads, which these are the people who are paying to be front and center, and every time someone clicks on this, they get charged. Now, then you get to your GMB. Now, the Google Map Pack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these 3 people. That's just the easiest thing to do. And then, of course, you have your organic rankings by strength of website. So, of course, you're going to have like your Yelp, Houzz, whichever one wants to go first. And then you have your first competitor, which is Next Day Floors. So let's check out their website. They have a nice header. They have all their drop-down menus. They don't have a click-to-call, which is unfortunate, but hey, everyone has room to improve. Then, of course, they go through the different services. They have a blog, and that's about it. So they don't have much on their homepage either, so it wouldn't be too hard to beat them out as far as content goes, which you're pretty much already doing. And so let's check behind the scenes and see why they're number one for that top keyword. So as you can see, they have a strong website. They have a 32 strength and 26 trust. So they have almost the golden ratio. As well as they have over 5,000 different backlinks helping that along, as well as 5,000 different organic keywords. Now, most of these keywords are useless. They're part of their blog. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the keywords that actually relate to Baltimore, which is still 151. Now, of course, row homes, Flooring Baltimore, 250 people. They're in the second or first real position as you saw, 82 people from that. Baltimore Flooring, fourth or second or third position, 22 people from that. And then Flooring Companies Baltimore. They're in the middle of the first page. They get 8 people from that. So if we're looking to beat them out for some of the best keywords and get that traffic that they're getting, first things first, you got to get those backlinks. You want to beat your competitor in backlinks, which means taking theirs. They have 5,000. You know they work because their website is strong. You could take those, add them to yours. As well as you want that content. Now, I know you have it. It's always good to add more so you can continuously show Google that, hey, I'm trying to rank for these buyer intent words. So adding more content is always great. Putting those two together, you should start ranking a little, you should start moving up the rankings, and of course, get more traffic to your site and get more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.